Hello to the group, John Stewart in Holiday, Utah. I want to do an unboxing here today of some lures from Dynamic. These are lures that always catch fish, full stop. No matter where I fish them, they always catch fish. Now, usually I buy these lures from Sportsman's Warehouse or Cabela's or a local tackle shop, but a lot of times they are unavailable, or they're out, or they're not around, or yada yada. So, golly, I thought, so I ordered the express shipping because I thought I might go fishing this weekend. This is my first order from these guys, Dynamic Lures, and they sent me a great piece. The HD Trout series of lures are just without peer. They are, I don't know what it is, what they've done with them, how they developed them. The Rapalas are similar, but the HD Trout is just insane. I also got some buzz baits and some micro spinners because I bought those on a whim. I didn't know those existed. Tubes, whatever. Okay, let's start with the trouts. So I got them all in the same color because this color I think is just perfect for the Utah area. This is the brown trout color. Great stuff. Always catches fish. Always, always, always. If the fish are there, they're going to eat this. Whether it's in a pond or in a lake or in a stream. I've caught fish in the stream. Great stuff. Got 4 of these. I think these are $6.99 a piece. Yep. 2.25 brown trout, $6.99. Great prices. Very competitive. And then I got the Spec, which is a bigger HD trout. These are 3-inch. These are $7.99 a piece. And these are just as good. And the other thing I like about these, as I throw stuff around, is that the finish isn't shiny. It is a matte, it's a matte finish. And that might add something to the attractiveness to the fish. I have no idea. If others in the group know what I'm talking about or know anything about this, let me know. So I got 2 of these. And then I saw these. What are they called? They're called micro or mini buzz baits. 3-inch. Of course, duh, it's right there on the label. Mini buzz baits, and I thought these in kind of the same color as these. Want to give these a try. I think these might be killer because the blade is clear, so you don't see the blade. So I'm assuming that the fish aren't going to hit the blade; they're going to hit the bait. And I think they're 3/16 of an ounce. Great stuff. A little heavier than an 1/8. Duh. Okay. And then I got the micro spinner baits. 2.25 inches in orange. I'm going to really like these too. I think these are going to be killer. Boy, Dynamic Lures has it going on. And they gave me a sticker. I think I'm going to give Dynamic a call too and tell them how happy I am that they got this stuff out. I think I ordered this stuff on Sunday and it came from Colorado, and today is Wednesday. So this is interesting. This is a fish attractant gel. And Dynamic has seemed to figure this out because whenever you get a gel or some kind of fish attractant. It comes in a jar. And Berkeley, I'm talking to you. And the other one with the funny name that I can't, having a brain moment, I can't remember. I'll think of it. It's just really hard to apply. So it comes on a screw top. You pump it and you brush it on. I'm pretty happy. And of course, hopefully this screws back on. It does. This is the original scent. Fish absolutely love it. So this will be nice because you can put it in your pocket, put the stuff on, and go. Instead of having to open a jar, dip it, close the jar up, try to put the jar somewhere, yada yada. This was 7 1/4. Okay, that's my haul for Dynamic Lures HD series, the buzz baits, the J specs, the mini buzz baits. I've already said that, and the micro spinner baits. Pretty happy. Now, why did I buy all these? Because I lose them. I snag them. I can't get the snags off. Break the line. Blah blah blah. And then I say to myself, okay, where can I find these? I don't know. I don't know what store's going to have what I want. So then I went to Dynamic's website, and I'm pretty happy. They're in Grand Junction, Colorado. Pretty happy. Shipping was $13 and change for a 2-day. Yeah, great stuff. Killer. I hope, yeah, please. I'm not one of those types that says, oh, leave comments. Please like and subscribe, blah, blah, blah. No, if you have any experience with this stuff, let's start the conversation and let me know if you think there's anything better, if you think these are the standard or what. I'd really like to know that. Okay, cheers.